at the bike jumps. We got it in lock. We got the, let's show you around, all right? I got my shovel. We got the pit of doom, as I call it. Then we got the roundabout over here. Brings you here. Tyler made this one.
Yeah, it's pretty
bad. Someone keeps filling it in with bad sand.
Yeah.
Sometimes, if you want to come over to the...
Look at this.
Oh, no, that's not the pit of death. This is the...
Yeah, that's the ding dong ditch.
Yeah, this one's called the ding dong ditch. This is the pit of death. Over here is the probably scary stuff.
Yeah. With this, if you case, you're done.
Yeah, you're done. Especially coming from this way.
Yeah.
Look at this. This is almost vertical right here. This one's not as bad because it's all soft, so it might not hurt as much.
But like,
over here we got
case, you're done.
this retarded little jump that no one uses.
I use it. No, I use it.
Too bad. All right, over here. Me and Tyler made this
Putting
one.
it back.
Pretty nice. Someone ruined it though. Oh, maybe someone ruined this one. It was a pretty good jump until someone ruined it. I've never used it though.
Yeah, well, no, we used it before. I failed on it though. And then we made this thing right here.
Yeah, we made that in Tyler's yard.
Yeah.
So let's see what these things look like when you hit them. All right? See this?
I do not really want to hit this.
You should probably like film me.
I really don't want to hit this.
You should probably be a good photographer. You suck at it. Let me do it. Here, take the shovel of honor. Alright, do something. Do I have to be the photographer and the YouTuber?
No.
You suck at this. Huh?
Okay, I'm jumping.
You did get the first letter of our name, so you do the honors of being the first one to hit the jump. Pretty nice. Pretty sweet. Hopefully I cut that. Look at this. Watch this, ready? It's all like bad sand. I hate it. What's he doing? Tyler, come in, I don't know. Hit one of them. Ooh, sexy. Come on. Nice. Nice. Ooh, sexy. Keep riding. Put it down. Just I can keep filming. If I was gonna ride, I'd put it on it. This looks like my trash can. How do you feel about this tripod? No,
give me my fucking
I want to keep filming.
Give me my camera.
Get out of here.
It's my camera.
Let's see. People, comment down below if you like the tripod or me filming. Nice tripod right there.
Yeah. Hold on.
That's wide view.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, great tripod.
Hold on. Yeah. Yeah, that was a good shot.
What did I say, Tyler? Alright, keep riding. Ooh, sexy. Yeah, I know. You want to leave?
Yeah, I want you to jump.
Alright, try to be better at photography. Don't point it like this as I'm going over. Comment down below if you like my photography. I'm pretty good.
This is my whatever. Wait, can I zoom in? Oh, there it is. See it right there?
let's go. What do you want to do? Oh, nice. Oh, yep, that happened. Okay, I think everyone's clicked out of the video by now because you suck at this. Oh, look, this tree has a butthole. Wow, it's pooping too. All right, let's go. Yeah, I knew they would hate it. All right, let's go.
Where are we gonna go?
Let's go just right around.